Why do they gotta have marathons in my neck of the woods? Why don't they hold these marathons in your neck of the woods? Don't block off my street. This is crazy. Won't let me go through one lane, can't drive around the lake. Have these marathons in the cities where all these city folk belong. We don't need you out here in the country plugging up our roads. Makes me want to use them all for speed bumps. The only way to get to town, they got it blocked off because these city folk want to come on out here and do their yuppie city run. Oh, look at me, I can jog. Look at me. There, but we're even getting a string of line built behind us. People wanting to go. People ain't paying my road tax. I pay the road tax out here and the property tax, and you're holding me up. This is ridiculous. I don't know why they don't hold them in their own neighborhoods instead of coming out to my neighborhood. Coming this way, it's less than a half a mile from here out to the highway. Nobody coming straight ahead, not one single freaking car. They got the right-hand lane blocked off, that's fine and dandy. But nobody's coming through in that other lane, so why can't I get on through there? Plenty of time for vehicles that might have been coming through, but oh no. These people got to have control. Freaking city-fied city slickers. Go back to your city where you belong. We don't want you out here. Freaking yuppies. Got a pilot car coming. Yeah, this must be a city-fied group that we got to run a pilot car. Jeez. They don't even have pilot cars out here for the construction work that they do. But, oh, we got to have them for these city-fied yuppies. You know what, yuppies, if you want to come on out here, you have your little marathon walk or whatever the deal is, be a little bit more considerate. Go in an area where you're wanted, not where you're not wanted. So finally, we get to go. Pilot car, follow me. Whee! And people just lumbering along, walking on the side. This guy up here looks like he's got a turd up his butt the way he's running. If you can call that a run. Starting to think that this might be the Special Olympics looking at these people. Freaking irritating. You know, I ventured if you went in there, these people there, if they're doing road construction out of their places, I'll bet you that these people would be complaining about the traffic and stuff and the restrictions for something that's necessary for their road work. But yet they don't mind coming up here and plugging up my road. You know, I mean, this is a rant of mine. I mean, it's cast my butt. This is city-fied people. They work and control the state and do whatever they want, wherever they want. And the rest of us are shut up. You know, they can just go back home and just do their city-fied stuff back where they belong. And I'm perfectly fine with that. Do whatever you want in the city. But you don't belong in my neck of the woods. And gals like that there, wearing spandex, come on now. Ah, jeez. You know, I don't mind stopping for road construction if I got to sit there waiting for a half hour at road construction. Those people got a job to do. But this ain't a job. This is a hassle that doesn't need to take place. Got a wheelchair? Come on now. I don't know what this gig is here. That's all the further it was through there, and I had to wait like 15 minutes for the cars to get on through. Stupid. Really, really stupid. Beautiful lake. This is why these people like to come on out here, because of the scenery that we have. Fine and dandy, but don't plug up my roads. Don't be a waste of my time. Yeah, Rant. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody else that don't like city slickers either. Y'all come back now, you hear? Bye!